not really needed, but everybody is happy that I am here. First of all, round of applause for me for doing this with exams 6 months ago. It is like taking a borderline pancreas for surgery. Risk involved. Sir, I am like Abjal fibrillar. I come at the end, not really needed, but everybody is happy that I am here. And it is better if you throw water at me. But then at least I am better than you, Prashant. He is like Foley's catheterization in a thyroid patient. Not really needed, but now that he is inside, keep him there for 2 more days. But we are both better than Venkat, who is like a chronic drain in a chronic patient.
Oh my God.
Nobody knows why he was put. People forget, even with nil output, keep.
And eventually the drain becomes more important than the patient. That you don't remove the drain from the patient, but eventually you remove the patient from the drain.
We are celebrating your
Yes, sir. So I will talk about the importance of external sphincter. Me and Samir, today the rounds were supposed to be at 7 a.m. First call came at 6 a.m. The only reason we could wear white pants was because of external sphincter. It has been dry since morning. It had to be changed because some forces are greater than any immovable object. External sphincter is also tested when Dinesh is presenting morbidity mortality. Not his seniors. Everything will go well. Sir, we donated the cornea also. Who told you, man? Where did my drink go? External sphincter is also tested when especially in CNG, some serious patient PAC is getting done. That time, that surgical PG. He will go into all those phases of depression. Suppose the hemoglobin is low, HB4. That is denial, first stage. Very good. Very good. First stage. Denial.
No.
Then there will be anger. 4. Blood. Patient is alive. Blood has to be.
There is in between one more is there. Sister, please take it. It is 40.
That is bargain, sir. Third stage. Bargain. Then there is depression. Papa told me to take maths in 12th. Finally acceptance. That sudden change in pressure, smooth muscle cannot handle. You need striations.